Hey, welcome. I'm Paul Hansen. And in this post, I'd like to discuss how to create success online. At least this is my take on it. In any business, there needs to be a plan of action or a business plan. In simple terms, we start out with an idea that develops our product or service. Then we must put together a plan which includes marketing so that we can produce prospects to add to our list that eventually produces sales, which equates to money, right? Well, I want to talk about the most foundational part of getting to understand how to build anything, and it really starts with awareness. It's a simple fact that if you are not aware of what it takes to do something, you won't be very good at it, right? See, it goes without saying, in order to be a top-notch salesperson, for instance, you have to be aware of certain skills and develop those skills. To be a surgeon, it takes a great deal of awareness, for sure, right? It takes hours and hours of foundational study and apprenticeship before performing that first surgery. That's what I'm talking about here. Let me give you an example. What if I gave you a jigsaw puzzle and scattered all the pieces on a table and asked you to put it together? Well, the first thing you probably would ask for is a picture of what it's supposed to look like, right? See, without knowing what the picture was supposed to be or that end product, we'd spend countless hours in trial and error, and unfortunately, that's how many approach building a business, especially online. There are certain skills and guidelines necessary and certain procedures and strategies to employ to be successful in making your mark online, period. Part of that awareness that is absolutely necessary is actually the ability to focus. It's easy to start off with good intention, but unless focus is maintained, you'll find yourself distracted by the next shiny object that comes along that does not build on the goal that you previously set. Hey, it's human nature. Something looks so good and then you get pulled away only to get disappointed with the outcome, and now progress is stopped and you have to start all over again. Why do I say that? Well, because I've experienced it. This is just part of being ever present and aware of your goal and following a proven system and a course of action, literally a blueprint. See, I believe it was Stephen Covey that said, there are always two creations, right? The idea that draws forth the forms or the plans and the blueprint, and then the actual entity, the building or the business itself. See, I want to challenge you to a whole new mindset, something that is rarely talked about since most of us, yes, absolutely, me included, have been attracted and distracted by the next shiny object that comes along, which usually takes us off our intended course. We see the potential result of our goal, but how to accomplish that result is a process. It's a blueprint to achieve that desired outcome. So how do we maintain that mindset, that focus, and build a foundation that will serve us into the future? Well, good question. It's a matter of definiteness of purpose. Your burning desire to bring to fruition the plan that you have set out to accomplish. One of the greatest support structures to maintain that mindset and that focus is a mastermind group. See, those are individuals with a common cause and desire to be able to draw upon others' creativity and a way to challenge your ideas to bring them to a definite conclusion. I discovered that through one of my mentors, and I found it inspiring and probably the most useful information I've found to date. It can be found in the link that I've provided below. In that link, it's going to take you to a free video that will explain how to build your online success and be able to do it with heightened awareness. So you'll see and hear a reference to making money, but dig a little deeper and you'll see in the video what I've been talking about. So I encourage you, click the link below and you'll see why many have capitalized on this and have used this as their personal blueprint to online success. Hey, thanks for listening.